Microsoft has redesigned Microsoft 365 Copilot, transforming it from a simple AI assistant into a workflow native platform embedded across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. The update introduces a unified experience with context aware intelligence through Work IQ and features designed to make AI a seamless part of your daily work. Early results show strong growth in user engagement across Microsoft 365 applications, highlighting a broader shift in enterprise AI from standalone tools to deeply integrated productivity experiences. As competition heats up with Google, Anthropic, and Salesforce, Microsoft is betting that reliability, context, and workflow integration matter more than raw AI model performance. Guy, is AI going to take over all of your Microsoft Office activities?
No, but it will help us with all our all our Microsoft Office activities. Maybe that was a Freudian slip. I think this is really significant. I don't want to overstate the Copilot redesign. Microsoft has described it in pretty dramatic terms, and I do think it's a pretty dramatic rejiggering of the overall Microsoft 365 architecture around Copilot rather than kind of the other way around. They're using all the cool doohickeys of AI these days, MCP. They use A to A as well at Microsoft. They're integrating it, context, et cetera, et cetera. But effectively, it is a different way to create the documents, create and update spreadsheets, create slides, and all that sort of thing. One that is interactive, where your co-pilot, which is also a general term for, assistant AI, assistive AI outside of regular chat, um, where you are working with this co-pilot, directing it, but also responding to it. It goes a little beyond human in the loop to be more like a collaboration. And I think that's going to be a really eye-opening experience for a lot of users. It's going to be eye-opening in two ways. One is it's going to show that AI is way beyond chat. Now, those of us in the biz, we're pretty familiar with AI being way beyond chat because we're talking all about agents right now. But I think for the public at large, and I include the business public, that's not quite so obvious. For most of users, AI is a chatbot. So this is direct experience with something more than that. But also, and this is really the critical part, by integrating it into an enterprise platform, because Office 365 is an enterprise platform, it allows AI to get inserted helpfully in collaboration with humans into enterprise workflows. That means a front end and a back end that can be designed, engineered by corporate software, or maybe we'll call them AI engineers now. And that is going to be an overall experience with very broad impact because of the giant global installed base for Microsoft Office. An experience that will, I think, help accelerate the maturing of the market and the understanding of how AI works in practical terms, the kinds of guardrails and human collaboration you really want, the kinds of outcomes that you can expect. I don't want to overstate it, but I think that because of the broad scope of this and because of the thoughtful approach Microsoft has taken in general towards AI, I think it's a potential watershed.